Hi, I'm Sandeep N. Bhandakar, and I'm here to answer why smartphone photography is the best.
To prove this, I open my camera on my smartphone and go out to take a random picture, whatever is in front of me. Smartphones are portable and are easy to carry, and that's why I use them to click photos. Anybody can click a photo with a smartphone with the features it has to offer, unlike a DSLR camera, which is a bit complex to use for a beginner. Even a budget smartphone which is below 10,000 rupees gives you ample amount of features like changing the exposure, ISO and shutter speed while clicking a picture. Now comes post-production of the picture, which in simple words is just editing the photo using any simple app on your smartphone like Snapseed or Adobe Photoshop. You can even use the inbuilt photo editor on your smartphone, but I personally use Snapseed because of the tons of features it helps me to edit the photo and make it really good. As Ansel Adams once said, you don't take a photograph, you make